Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Liallure here, and I'm back at it again with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey, my name is Leah. I make videos, all types of crazy stuff. If you're a returning subscriber, hey friend, how are you? I hope you're doing amazing. So this video is a little bit different for my channel. This is going to be actually a kind of hair unboxing, review, install type video. Quick disclaimer, I am not a hairstylist, I am not a beautician, I am not an esthetician, I'm not none of the beauty girls, okay? I'm not one of them, it's not me, I'm not that. I'm just a girl who likes to figure out how to do things on my own and up my skills, especially when it comes to like beauty, makeup, and things of that nature. So that's what I'm doing in this video. For the most part, I'm not going to be talking much because I did mess up on the actual bleaching part of my hair, but I am going to tell you guys when the time comes how I fix that. Otherwise, I'm not going to be saying much because this is not a tutorial. This is just you guys watching me do my hair essentially. Now this wig is a 26-inch Brazilian body wave 5x5 lace closure wig by ALIPEARL, the hair company. I almost always use ALIPEARL when it comes to buying hair. I don't remember the last time I bought from somewhere else, to be truthfully honest with you. Came with an elastic band just in case you wanted some extra support on your wig. It also came with this brochure that I found to be really useful, especially for people who are just now getting into wigs and stuff like that. It tells you like how to wash your wig, day-to-day maintenance, different types of brushes and things of that nature. So if you're a new wig user, I think that a brochure like this will be really useful to you. And then of course it came with wig caps because you know the girls love wig caps. It's me, I'm the girls. I feel like the lace itself was really good for what was supposed to be like HD lace. I know that companies have been struggling recently because of like the lace shortage or whatever. So a lot of wigs that you buy nowadays are usually double knotted, which means they're much harder for the knots to come out. However, I think for what it's worth, this wig's lace was pretty good. Like it definitely gave me HD lace effects. So yeah. Before I bleach the lace of my wigs, the first thing I like to do is take a paddle brush and brush the baby hairs back just so it doesn't get in the way and kind of caught in the crossfire of the bleaching process. Then I use Got2b blasting freeze spray to make sure the hairs are held down, and then I turn the wig inside out and then I spray the inside of the wig so that if it is too runny, the solution it doesn't seep all the way through the lace and bleach the actual hairs. For my bleaching solution, I like to use the Claro bleaching powder and then either 30 or 40 developer. Just be cautious about the developer that you're using because of course the higher you go with the developer, the faster it will bleach your hair. It speeds up the bleaching time, which means that you have to pay extra special attention to what it looks like. Now, I ran into kind of a technical difficulty that I was not expecting with this one. Usually, I like to make my solution to the point where it's so thick that if I was to turn the spoon handle, whatever, upside down, it does not fall down. It won't fall back into the plate. I like to make it very, very thick, sort of like a souffle. But I think this time I made it a little bit too runny and I put a little bit too much liquid in there because I definitely ran into the issue of it seeping through my lace and then starting to bleach the hair. But I will show you guys how I fixed it afterwards. So to fix over bleached hair, it's a really simple solution, okay? All you need is mascara and a mascara wand. That's it. That's literally it. All you need is black mascara, whatever color mascara is. That's the same as the hair that you're working with, but usually for me it's always black. All I got is some black cheap mascara. I don't even know where this is from, baby, like, because I don't use it, so like it was just there somewhere, thankfully. But anyway, all you need is some cheap mascara. Don't even have to be high quality. Some type of like eyebrow spoolie or mascara wand, and then you're gonna just go ahead and go over the over bleached hair with the mascara so that it comes back to like its black color. That's it. That's literally it. When I was ready to apply my wig, the first thing I did was I used my foundation and I went over the lace with that. I turned the wig inside out, and then I used a beauty blender that I don't use anymore. I dabbed some of my foundation in the beauty blender, and then I just gently pressed onto the lace to get the lace to look a little bit closer to my skin complexion. After that, I used that same beauty blender, pressed more foundation onto it, and then put it onto my wig cap. Now you kind of just see me test driving the wig. So I put the wig on my head while the wig cap was on to, number one, make sure that it kind of matched my skin complexion, and number two, to see where I should spray my hair or glue it down if you're using glue in this situation. Now, usually I use glue on my wigs if I plan to wear them for a long time. However, I was just wearing this wig for the night and I wanted to use something that was a little less long lasting. So I went ahead and I used this holding spray. I don't know the name right now, but I'll put it on the screen somewhere and also in the description box. I find that it gets the job done. If I need to wear something really quick, something that'll dry really fast, this is your girl, okay? If you want something to wear 95 degrees in the summer, this is not your girl. But for the purpose of this video, it was October and I was cool. It was fine. Alright, you guys, so this is the final product. This is my hair. I put some curls in it. I didn't want it to be too much of a tight curl. However, I will say that since this is body wave hair, I expected it to hold the curl better. But the curls, like, you could see them, but they're not what they were when I first put them in my head. So be cautious of that. They don't really hold the curl that well. However, the hair is super soft and luxurious. Like, it feels so good. I can run my hand through my hair with no snags, no tangles, nothing. And I love that about ALIPEARL. Like, they always give you amazing quality hair. The lace itself was pre-plucked, but I decided to pluck it a little bit more to my liking. I bleached it, as you guys saw. I made some mistakes, but I was able to fix it, baby. So we're here now, and this is the end product. I will say that this, I think, is a true 26 inches. For reference, I am 5'7", and this is what 26 inches looks on me. So if you're about the same height, this is for you, girl. Yeah, so that is the end of the video. If you guys like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, join the gang, because if you watch this whole video, you might as well stick around. Follow me on all my socials, that is Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. It is in the outro and also in the description box down below. Call me, beat me if you wanna reach me. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.
Shout out to everybody. I had fun.